Today we're going to unbox Gamdias gaming chair. Let's take a look. It's happening right now. Okay, there you go. RGB is up and running. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. You don't want to miss anything else.
I'm gonna open it.
Gamdias.
Catch this hard.
And my trusty assistants. That's Bryce.
Wow.
Okay, here on the instructions. First step, they want you to put the base together. Then next, the bottom of the seat. Then you attach the base to the seat. And then you put the back on.
You can probably just unscrew it.
Okay. It has bolts already in. No, you have to take them out to bolt up the arms. And that's what they're doing right now. Put on. Remember, tighten one here, one over there, then this one, then that one. Okay, here's your USB plug for the RGB lights and the back of the Gamdias. Okay, underneath here, under the bottom of the chair, there's two slits about this wide where it slides right over the top of these handles. It's starting to come together very nicely. Okay, we noticed when you're assembling the chair and you're going to put these screws in, you got to make sure and jiggle the top around until you can actually feel it go into the proper hole. It's always out of alignment just by a little bit, so just moving it forward, backwards, up and down, you can align it. That'll help you to thread it right. Okay. On to the next. Okay, here's the chair all put together. It's very nice. Very nice. Now we just got to download the software and get the RGB running. Thanks for watching the video. You like more budget tech unboxing videos? Make sure to check out this one right here. See you there.